Hey there, it's Jeremy from PetYen. I'm super duper excited because today is Badass Brooklyn Animal Rescue Summerfest adoption event. Badass Brooklyn is one of our favorite rescue organizations. This all-volunteer, non-profit organization began with one dog in a one-bedroom apartment. They have now rescued over 1,700 dogs from high-kill rural southern shelters and found them great forever homes in New York City. Even though it was a hot and sticky day in Gowanus, Summerfest was an amazing success. Sun's out, tongues out, and fun times hanging out with all the wonderful dogs from Badass Brooklyn and all of the great people that came to support this wonderful cause. Some of the highlights of this event that I want to tell you about is the free pupchinis from Shake Shack. Learning about all the fun activities my dog will be doing when they go to doggy camp at Eva's Play Pups. A beach-themed photo booth from Mobile Mutts. That's dog trainer Kate McHugh from Kate's Canines. She's here to answer any dog training questions. Amy Grossman of School for the Dogs set up a great dog agility course. And Deb Klein is here to take photos of your pet. Oh hey, that's my sister Julie. She is telling this nice couple about our real-time, location-based search engine and all the local news and information they can find for their pet on PetYen. Of course, the most fun is meeting all the great dogs that are here looking for their forever homes. Badass Brooklyn is well known for selecting fantastic dogs from high-kill shelters. And the group they brought to Summerfest was exceptional. This is the 5th year that Badass Brooklyn has hosted the Summerfest, and each year is better than the next. We can't wait to come back next year and support this amazing cause.